Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to The Wide with Umsakazi Zokugcina. And then today we're coming straight to you live, according to Z, but never mind that. So yesterday I was invited to the ICC Durban, South Africa. It was all about evolution of women in leadership conference. It was brought to you by Way Your Brand Foundation. And then the hashtag we were using yesterday, it was hashtag EWNC 2023. Check this out. Our classy premier Umsakazi welcomed us yesterday, and also
and we thank you for your presence, but also the sponsors that have sponsored this function today that have made it possible for us to gather here. Kodwa ngaphezu kwakho konke lokho Nkosi ngaye engabe awukho lo mcimbi ngabe anikho kakhulukazi abantu besifazane imbokodo omama osisi o-auntie o-girlfriend.
And also we heard from our very own mayor yaseThekwini, uKhansela Mxolisi Khawunde. It was very funny, trust me. Check this out.
You could not do was to organize a partner for the mayor. You only organize a partner for yourself, so the mayor was alone. I also needed somebody. I thought you.
Omunye ama-delegates ebekhona umama Ugcina Mhlophe akazange azangene nje stage wakhuluma, ngene ngengoma kwathula kwathi cwaka.
Mudimu Amata, Almighty God, shine your light. I'm amazed.
Definitely, we never disappoint. Must be Emcimbi. We always spot someone. So yesterday we did spot our very own Nomfundo Mcoy from Icebo Lethu, and then we all said, "Zonke zophumula Icebo Lethu." How nice was that?
Name, and for me, it always means caring.
Sibeke sesivala nge-entertainment. They call themselves mother and daughter. Hey, Kosiam. The food was fooding, and also amantombazane, abantu besifazane, abomama, abogogo, babeke sebethola izimbali. How nice was that? And then this